What's happening, guys? It's Ep1 Techsaurus. Welcome to my new series on the channel, Level Up My Rig. It's very similar to Setup Makeover, but instead of redoing the entire setup, I'm going to be focusing on upgrading the PC only. I'm actually in Boston, Massachusetts right now visiting Michael, who has a gaming channel over 200,000 subscribers, and apparently his PC is in need of an upgrade. I do want to give a huge thanks to Samsung for sponsoring this episode and sending over their 970 EVO M.2 SSD to help me level up his rig. All right, let's go check it out. Michael,
hey, how's it going, man?
Dude?
How are you? Good to meet you too.
This is Bob, my cousin.
How's it going, man? Good to meet you.
So let's go check it out, man.
Yeah, head on in. Mind living on good passions.
All right, so this is it.
This is her.
Does she have a name?
It carries over from me being a kid, so Shadow is the current name
Shadow,
for it.
okay.
Very edgy, very edgy.
All right. Damn, you weren't kidding. You
It's
definitely need an upgrade.
It's a bit of a mess in there.
Wow. I gotta ask you one question. Don't
Yeah.
think this the hard way.
All right.
Have you ever heard of an air duster?
I use my mouth a lot. Just kind of blow into it and hope that works.
Jeez. Okay. Yeah, definitely needs an upgrade. So they call the right guy.
I'm glad you agree.
So what exactly do you use your PC for on a day-to-day basis?
It's my go-to everything for work. So recording video, streaming, editing video, rendering out the video afterward. It never stops working.
All of that. Oh, so it's pretty much on 24/7.
Yeah, it's pretty much on 24/7.
Wow. Okay. And how does it handle in gaming, for example? I'm guessing you play in 1080p.
Yep, I play and record in 1080p. If I'm not recording, it's 1440.
Okay.
But even in both, it's been struggling. When I'm not recording, I can go anywhere between, depending on the game, 40 to 60 frames a second. Once I flip on the recording software, that dips.
It just dips down.
It just dips down.
Wow. Yeah. Is it playable, you would say, while streaming?
It's playable,
Okay.
depending on the game. I have to be very picky and choosy about what I'm playing.
Okay. But you prefer, obviously, higher frames?
Oh yeah, I would. I want to be able to run this thing at 60 plus, you know, as
While
anybody
streaming.
would. Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So Mike, tell me, how long does it usually take for Shadow to boot up?
I mean, if I was to average on this thing, boot up time, anywhere between 1 to 3 minutes probably on average, and then
1 to 3 minutes for booting?
Yeah,
Wow.
for booting, and then as far as the game, depending on the game, anywhere between 30 seconds to 2 minutes, depending on
Okay.
how much it needs to bring up.
Wow, it makes sense why you're keeping it on 24/7.
Yeah, yeah.
That's insane. So has there ever been a time where lag has affected you at a very crucial moment from winning a game or moving on to the next level?
Yeah, I'm sure there's plenty of it on film as well from me recording. But yeah, when I'm any multiplayer competitive shooter online, if the frames dip, you're immediately not going to be accurate. And I've died more times than I can remember.
Really?
Because I haven't been able to pull off the headshot that I was looking for, or at least hit the guy because it's stuttering, it's being slow, it's fighting me at every turn.
Jeez, that sucks.
Yeah.
So I guess that's pretty much it. Let me do my thing. I'm gonna work my magic. I'm gonna bring you in afterwards and finally reveal the PC. Hopefully it meets your standards.
I'm assuming it will. Thanks, man.
Alrighty.
Appreciate
Let's
it.
do this. Okay, so I pretty much all the parts I need to level up Mike's rig. We're gonna be giving him a brand new CPU, new motherboard, and some new RAM. We're also gonna be building inside a newer case, so a lot of cosmetic upgrades as well. The icing on the cake, of course, is the Samsung 970 EVO M.2 SSD. It's gonna be a huge upgrade compared to his current storage device. The 970 EVO offers speeds up to 3,500 megabytes per second read and 2,500 write. It's going to allow Mike's PC to boot faster and load up applications and games faster as well. It just doesn't make sense having a beast gaming PC like this if you don't have the storage to complement it. You know, you really shouldn't cheap out on one of the most important pieces of any PC. But anyways, with that said, I think it's time to level up Mike's rig. Let's do it. Alright, so the PC is finally done. Mike is outside waiting. I'm gonna grab him real quick and see what he thinks of his new rig. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
What do you think?
You are a master of your craft.
Thank you very much.
It is gorgeous. Holy crap, man. I haven't had a PC look like this since ever.
What do you think about the color scheme?
It's beautiful, dude. Black and red is gorgeous. More space than I've ever had in a PC before. I love the see-through design. God, it looks great.
Nice. So I know you were using an older platform. You were still on DDR3, so we went and upgraded you to something more recent. We got you the 6700K Skylake CPU, which is using DDR4 memory. And in fact, actually, the only thing we didn't upgrade was the graphics card and the power supply.
Yeah.
And you game in 1080p, that card is still a beast, so it's still gonna get the job done for you.
Awesome.
We also upgraded your storage. Your PC is now using the new Samsung 970 EVO M.2 SSD. It's basically gonna run faster than before. And you also have faster read and write speeds compared to before, according to the Crystal disk mark that we ran. It's also going to affect your gaming experience. Let's say you're playing a game and you got to load up a map, or let's say you finished a mission and you got to move on to the next level. Well, the 970 EVO is going to help you load a lot faster with those incredible speeds compared to your previous storage device. That way you spend less time waiting and more time gaming. It's also great for heavy workloads. I know you told me you're a YouTuber also, and you do editing as well?
Yeah, the PC is my main central workforce, man. The thing edits and renders and takes care of everything. So.
Oh, that's perfect. Because the 970 EVO has this thing called Turbo Write technology, which basically uses the correct buffer size to speed up the read and write speeds. So it's perfect when transferring large files or using applications such as an editing software. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it. What do you think?
Dude, it's beautiful. First, thank you for coming here and building this thing for me. I have never had a better looking PC in my life. And a big thanks to Samsung for the 970 EVO. That thing is going to change my workload drastically.
Awesome, dude. Well, congratulations again.
Thank you
Enjoy
very
your
much.
PC. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to check out the 970 EVO, I'll drop a link to it down below. And also drop a like if you guys want to see more types of content like this. Let me know what you guys think about his PC also by leaving your feedback down below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you.